guys, I want to go ahead and edit today's vlog for the work today. I wanted to do that yesterday, but I was so I was not interested. And yeah, do you like my makeup? I know that I'm already oily but yeah, I'm trying to touch up my face in a way that's just presentable and stuff. So do you like my hair the way it is, or do you like it when it's straightened out? I like trying to wear my natural hair more. I probably do more natural hairstyles. Hopefully I'll be able to carry this long. But I'm looking like my look right now. It's just simple. Like a simple glam. Yeah, I need to lose some weight. I've been pulling on weight, so I need to get me a scale. And I need to weigh 150, 160 back again. Because if your girl is going to be carrying your nieces and nephews, they got to get back snatched. So I'm going to see if I can get some not weight lifter. I already have them dumbbells in the house, but I'm going to see if I can get something for to tone me up, especially my belly area, my chin area, my arms. I need to tone that back up. So I'm trying to save to see if I can get some kind of weight shrinking exercising equipment if I can. That's the plan. We'll see. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys later. If you ever wondering what I'm doing, I'm going through some recipes to see what I can try in this house. I know hubby likes a lot of meat. That for sure. He does not joke with his meat. And I'm trying to see